Are you ready to unlock the secrets to living your healthiest life? Today, we're diving into the 10 foods you should consume regularly to keep your body in peak condition. These nutritional powerhouses aren't just delicious, they're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that support everything from your brain to your heart. If you want to optimize your health naturally, this is the list for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have all the reasons you need to make these superfoods a staple in your diet. Let's dive right in. Spinach is more than just a leafy green. It's a nutrient-dense powerhouse. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, spinach is essential for immune function, skin health, and bone strength. It's also a great source of folate, iron, and magnesium, which support red blood cell production and muscle function. Spinach is low in calories but high in fiber, making it perfect for weight management. Regular consumption can improve eye health, reduce oxidative stress, and help maintain healthy blood pressure. Next up is salmon. It's a fatty fish that's an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation. Salmon is loaded with high-quality protein, vitamin D, and B vitamins, plus selenium and potassium. The omega-3s found in salmon are known to lower the risk of heart disease, reduce inflammation, and improve cognitive function. The vitamin D content supports bone health and immune function, while the B vitamins aid in energy production. Next on our list is almonds. They are nutrient-rich and they offer a variety of health benefits. Almonds are an excellent source of healthy fats, fiber, protein, vitamins E and B, plus magnesium, manganese, and calcium. Almonds are fantastic for heart health thanks to their monounsaturated fats. Their fiber and magnesium content help manage blood sugar levels. Additionally, vitamin E in almonds is a powerful antioxidant that supports skin health. Next on our list are blueberries. They are small but mighty when it comes to nutrition. Blueberries are one of the highest antioxidant foods, packed with vitamins C, K, and fiber. The antioxidants in blueberries protects your body from free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. They also support brain health, help maintain healthy blood pressure, and improve insulin sensitivity. Next up are eggs. They are one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. They provide a complete source of protein, which means they contain all of the essential amino acids your body needs. They are rich in vitamins B12, D, B6, and vitamin A, plus selenium, zinc, and iron. Eggs' high protein content makes them fantastic for muscle building and repair. Choline and lutein in eggs also promote brain and eye health. Despite some of the bad press in the past about eggs, they can support heart health when consumed in moderation. Next on our list is quinoa. It is a gluten-free grain high in protein and contains all the essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's also loaded with fiber, antioxidants, B6, folate, and vitamin E, plus magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. Quinoa's fiber and nutrient content make it excellent for blood sugar control, heart health, and digestion. It's also a great alternative to refined grains and helps you feel full longer, which aids in weight management. Next on the list, one of my favorites, avocados. They're a unique fruit with healthy fats, especially the monounsaturated fat, which is heart healthy. Avocados are packed with fiber, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins K, E, C, and B5. Avocados' benefits include healthy fats, which are crucial for heart health, and they help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. The fiber in avocados supports digestive health, while the potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Next up are sweet potatoes. They are a highly nutritious root vegetable with fiber, vitamins A, C, and B6, plus potassium and manganese. They are particularly high in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Sweet potatoes support vision and immune function due to their high vitamin A content. They also aid digestion and gut health because of their fiber content. Plus, they are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Next on our list is Greek yogurt. It's a protein-rich dairy product high in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Greek yogurt contains vitamins C, K, A, and folate, plus potassium, calcium, and iron. Greek yogurt's probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, which is crucial for digestion and overall health. It's also an excellent source of protein and calcium, supporting bone health and muscle repair. Next on our list is broccoli. It is a cruciferous vegetable packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, particularly high in vitamins K and C, folate, and fiber. Broccoli also provides potassium, calcium, and iron. Broccoli is known for its cancer-fighting properties due to its high levels of sulforaphane. Broccoli sprouts are particularly high in sulforaphane content. Broccoli supports heart health, boosts the immune system, and helps maintain healthy bones. The fiber in broccoli aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Incorporating these 10 superfoods into your daily diet can provide many health benefits, from improved brain function and heart health to better digestion and energy levels. Remember, it's not just about eating one or two healthy foods occasionally. Consistency is key. If you make these foods regular staples in your diet, your body will thank you in the long run. Thank you for watching this video today. We really do appreciate your kind support. Please share this video with someone you know that needs to know all about the top 10 foods that they should be eating regularly. Also, please leave us a comment below and let us know what types of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.